Hi, my name is Achievable Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. Well, it is New Year's. Happy New Year. New Year's is often marked by resolutions. People make resolutions because they make a promise to themselves. They make a commitment to themselves to better their situation. A lot of times people make resolutions that are unrealistic, commitments that they really can't keep, commitments that are challenging to keep. I've always found that if you want to make a commitment and you want to make something that you can keep, you should try to do this in small pieces. Make smaller commitments that you can easily reach and then make another one throughout the year. New Year's doesn't have the market cornered on the days when you make resolutions. You can make resolutions throughout the whole year. In light of that, what kind of co-parenting resolutions can we make? You have a child. You've split up with the other parent. It's a new year. Things haven't gone so great. It's a little rocky last year. What can we do this year? What small step can we take this year to make the co-parenting time go a little smoother? I'm going to give you some guidance. Number one, I would say this. Be flexible. We have so many people who call up with the horrible complaint that the child is supposed to be home at 6 o'clock and it's already 6:08. 8 minutes late. And they're calling lawyers already. Be flexible. Be nice. It's just as easy to be nice as it is to be upset. You don't have to approach the other side with an embittered attitude. Smile when you talk on the phone. They can hear the smile through the phone. If you can make better relationship with the other parent, the whole thing is going to go so much better. Remember, when one parent takes advantage of the other, it's probably due to the fact that there's a complete lack of respect, a complete marginalization of one parent of the other. Could be that maybe the ex is hurt that the other person moved on to a new relationship. So therefore they want to marginalize them, so they take it out on the child and on the parenting time. Be nice. Be considerate of the other person. You're going to need accommodations later on too. So be accommodating. If the person's 8 minutes late, say, you know what? I'd rather you be on time. If you're going to come late, I'd like the courtesy of a call if possible. And you know what? You were a few minutes late. How about next time, give me a few minutes extra myself. Let's try and work things out so that it's fair to everybody. Now, you may say, gee, Mr. Goldman, you don't know my ex. There's no working anything out with him. She's impossible. There's no working anything out with her. It may be, and you're right. You're the country's leading expert in that person. You know what can be worked out and what cannot. But I will tell you this. I've served as a mediator many, many times, mediating disputes, and people walk into this place and they will tell me through their attorneys right off the bat, you're never going to solve this case. These people are impossible. They can't agree on what time of day it is. And you know what? A couple hours later, we've got the whole thing wrapped up. So here's my point. Matters can be resolved. Cases can be settled. You don't always have to have an embittered situation for the next 15 years just because during the divorce or during the litigation things were bitter. It's a new year. You can take a new approach to it. Try to be nice to the other person. Try to be cooperative to the other person. And you know what you may get in return? They may be nice and they may be cooperative. And this will be better for everybody all the way around. I would resolve during the new year to try to take small steps toward that goal. It's very worthwhile, and ultimately, your kid will appreciate it. If you have any questions about that or how to do that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.